Hi guys, and welcome to another quick fix. Today, yet again, we're going to be fixing another failure to test from CEX. It's a copy of Pokémon Silver. Feels like I've done a lot of those lately. Just wanted to get one on camera, I suppose. I've been getting some real drunkers from CEX lately. For me, it's okay. I fix them and it generates content, but for the average person, it's a real pain in the neck. Can you imagine taking a game on that you hadn't played in years, all excited, and bam, it doesn't work? It takes 2 seconds to test Game Boy games. So with this one, it was just the save states on the cartridge. This is because the internal battery was dead. It's quite an easy job, and it's also inexpensive. You can pick up like 10 of these batteries for around £7. As always, we'll just give it a quick clean with some isopropyl alcohol. Make sure you scrub those contacts. So first you can see me applying some flux to the solder points. You might be wondering why I'm using a solder pump for this job. Well, I was going to use my gas iron, but it ran out and I couldn't find the gas bottle. I realised that the solder wasn't melting, so I added some low melting point solder to help it along. Try not to go too heavy on the heat, you'll damage the board. Once the solder's at melting point, I apply pressure to pull the contacts upwards and do the same at the other side. Don't put too much pressure on because you'll pull the pads off the board, which will just turn into more work for you. So then you take the old battery off, replace it with a working one, just do the reverse of what you've already done. And there we go, not much to it. I enjoy playing Pokémon Silver.